Oh! Ah! Ah! This is disaster. Quite a lot of blacktop to get us down to the trail. Quick 60 k's, and then we hit the dirt. Just the fun bit, as we all know. It's hot today, really hot. Hello and welcome to my actually first ever YouTube video. You currently join me on my way down to the trails on what should have been a nice easy day on the bike, but as you'll see, things didn't quite go to plan. Setting off after work, I had to cover roughly 300 kilometers to get to my overnight stop, which was really not leaving me enough time for any mishaps. Oh, someone's having a bad day. Oh, on my winter ride, the gravel. End of the day, we stopped there, and that is where we parted ways. So, at some point, I will be entering the dirt. Finally. If I remember rightly, it's a lot of fire trails up this section, just sort of fire roads, nothing too technical. But when we get a bit more further into it, we get a little bit of single track, some more nice flowy trails. So yeah, looking forward to that. Oh, this is such a bad idea. Oh, now I'm stuck. 35 degrees, this is such a silly idea. Oh, that was a waste of time. You'll be so careful of these rocks. You can hardly see them in this sort of variegated light. They're really tricky to see. And if you hit one, wow, bone shattering your poor rims. Wait. Fully loaded DR. I mean, we're probably 200 kg right now. Wait. Ah, this is where I went wrong. It's got to be down here. Wing mirrors. These are new, I do not want to break these. Right, the GoPro is not going to do this justice, but this looks extremely steep. So we got to give it a go. Not do it justice. I reckon if I can slip into that line, see if I can get up there. Nope. Oh! Is my back brake falling off? That was annoying, because that was I think I popped my bladder already. Well, this thing was absolutely crap. There goes all my water. That's a good start. I did have a feeling that that was going to happen. I can't go back. You cannot. Okay, there goes my mirror as well. These are new. I do not want to break these. Ah! Ah! This is a disaster. One ride old, and that's already snapped off. My bike's about to fall down. Oh. My brake lever is bent, so when I start sliding down the hill, I'm trying to grab it, and it's not there. Okay, and now look. Oh Jesus! I've got to go straight. I really don't want to go down that. If I could get up that line, if I could get onto that top bit and then try and get it down, but oh, it's not looking good because I do not want to have to go backwards down this. And I am on my last try before I have no choice. So a quick prayer for the mirror. It's a ride old, but that is what it is. Right, I've got the back wheel out of that rut. I'm just got it now. Terrible riding from me. Okay, well the back wheel a bit further back now. Still got that, oh, I just don't know if I'm going to make this. Oh, that was something. It wasn't what I wanted, but I have to go that way. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Okay, attempt number, I don't even know now. Here we go. On the way to the top. Oh, maybe not. Freedom! Oh my goodness! That kicked my ass so badly. Oh, guys, this is going to look so small. Trust me, it's way steeper than it looks. It doesn't look steep, does it? What a lovely view though. Oh, yes. Okay, on top of this, I have to go out the phone cam. I've lost a bungee, and without it, I'm probably going to lose a bag. Oh, so I can barely walk down this. I mean, it's so slick. I mean, you Aussies are going to laugh at me because I'm a pom. I'm not used to this sort of dry conditions. I mean, mud is slippery in itself. it's not the same. It's not the same. This is like marbles. You like slide over the top, you don't dig into it like you do mud. And like, I mean, what, these things, treacherous to say the least. I should always bring a spare. It's just something you just forget to bring. Just retracing my steps here. I fell off so many times in so many spots. It's really hard to know where exactly it may have come off. And the worst thing is, I didn't actually know it came off here at all. I mean, that's a really bad day if you've crashed that badly that the rear view mirrors come out. So, hey, you know, all in all, could be worse. But I could do that strap. Could really do that strap. I think I'm just gonna have to accept that it's gone. It's not doing it justice. There'll be somebody here who knows where this is, and maybe in the comments they can back me up and say, yeah, fair. It's steeper than it looks. My back tire is, I'm going to say due replacement. I'm just going to throw all the excuses out there right now. You know, any excuse. Yeah, I've got the hill beat, but I did lose a strap. Don't think that's this hill related. No. But it was a waste of time walking back down there, that's for sure. Oh, the state of me. So, we're back on the road now. We got an hour and 50 minutes now to get to my destination. It's 5:30. So yeah, we'll be riding in the dark, which I didn't really want to be doing, but yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. We have to put up our tent in the dark as well, so yeah, that little hill climb set me back a good hour or so. But it was worth it. I feel like I've achieved something. I didn't let it beat me, so you know, I could go to bed knowing that I was not defeated. But I will sleep well tonight, that's for sure. It's golden hour now. It's gonna be really pretty riding, but the kangaroos, the wallabies, the snakes, everything's gonna start to come out to play now. After the day, it's gonna go down an absolute treat. Oh, look, I'm about to tell like a scary story or something, and I'm just gonna tell the story of today if that's not scary enough. So yeah, I didn't get here until 7:30, 8ish. By the time I stopped in the servo to get some snacks, some ginger beer. Got some hearty Irish stew as well, so it's going to be a good night. After almost freezing to death in my $15 sleeping bag, a mug of coffee and another tin of Irish stew had me ready to go. Okay, cool. I just aired down my tyres a bit, ready to get into the first section. Get my momentum drop. It looks to be like there's some deep ruts here. Oh yeah, I don't want to end up in there. This looks pretty nice.
At this point in the ride, I didn't know it yet, but this ride still had a few surprises for me.
Here we are. This is number plate. This looks like a track to me. Oh, hell yeah. Down the gully. Oh, I can feel my panniers scraping on the bloody shrubs. Oh, this is such a battle. These whoops with a whoa. Where are we going here? This is the line. Whoa. Oh, this is an issue. Oh, I'm gonna get through. Oh, we did. Ravines like that, it's just scraping either side of the foot pegs. Not ideal. I really don't have to do this, but I know you guys will enjoy it. This looks rough as hell. Well, that wasn't that bad actually.
The best thing about these trips is the unknown and the adventure that follows. You can never quite predict what's going to happen, for better or worse. This ride is a perfect example. A rough plan of GPX files stringed together to make this awesome ride. I want to say a massive thank you, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.